What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and we've got a very special video for you guys today. Here is the brand new OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G. Big thanks to OPPO for getting this to me super early, partnering with me for this video, and also giving me 3 of these to share with you guys. That's right, we are gonna have a giveaway of 3 OPPO Reno5 Pros. Details of the giveaway will be towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be covering lots of details which you'll need to enter the giveaway, so you will have to watch the full video. Let's go ahead and check this out. So we've got the box with a big 5 for the OPPO Reno5 Pro. We'll slide it out of its sleeve. Nice plain box with the OPPO logo. And inside we are, of course, presented with the OPPO Reno5 Pro. Some of the key features highlighted here, we're going to be taking a look at all of these. And as well as the device itself, you do get a bunch of other things. Firstly, in this sleeve, you get a clear case, so you can start using your device straight away. You're not going to have to go out and get one separately. You've got some paperwork, a SIM card tool, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C earphones. So earphones are also included. And finally, the SuperVOOC 2.0 65 watt flash charger. Now this charger is very special because it can charge the Reno5 Pro from 0 to 100% in just around 30 minutes. And you can get up to a 70% charge in just 15 minutes. And that's very impressive because the Reno5 Pro has a 4,350 milliamp hour battery. Now it is time to get to the Reno5 Pro. So we'll remove the plastic first. Just check that out. Look at the design on here. This is very, very unique, and this is the astral blue color, and you get a glittery visual effect with a matte finish. And OPPO have spent a lot of time to come up with this very unique design, and the shimmering effect is achieved through a new pyramid structure. If you actually put this underneath a microscope, you'll be able to see the intricate details. The design possesses a larger reflective area for each individual crystal, making the color of the back cover brighter compared with the spherical structures used in conventional anti-glare processes. And most importantly, this Reno Glow process not only gives you this shimmering effect, but it also makes it much more resistant to fingerprints and scratches. Just look at that. Now the Reno5 Pro is also available in a galactic silver color, which uses a similar process, but that gives you a visual effect with thousands of colors. So when you are looking from different angles or in different lighting, the phone appears in completely new colors. The Reno5 Pro also curves into the edges and is only 7.6 millimeters thin and weighs 173 grams. So it's definitely quite compact for what it's offering. Now let's move over on to the front. And this is where we have a 6.5 inch 3D curved Super AMOLED display. And this display also supports a 90 Hz refresh rate along with a 180 Hz touch sampling rate. And that means everything feels super smooth. The display also has 1100 nits of peak brightness, which means it's going to be great for viewing outdoors, and it's also HDR10 plus certified. On top of all of that, you do have a fingerprint scanner within the display, so you can just tap there. Very quick and convenient. And the OPPO Reno5 Pro is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 1000 plus chipset, which is one of the best and most powerful chipsets you'll be able to get in this price range. And you can get the Reno5 Pro with a base of 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Now let's talk about one of the highlight features of the Reno5 Pro, and that is the cameras. We do have a 32 megapixel selfie camera within this small punch out at the front. And on the back, by the way, I just want to highlight that you can't see any fingerprints, even though I've been holding this for so long. We've got a quad camera setup. We've got 2 main cameras, a 64 megapixel primary camera with an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. There's also 2 bonus cameras, a macro camera as well as a monochrome camera. And OPPO have really concentrated on improving the video features of the Reno 5 Pro. So firstly, we've got AI highlight video. And this uses AI algorithms to detect light conditions and automatically applies the required algorithm based on different scenarios. So in dim light, it uses the ultra night video algorithm, ensuring that even nighttime shots look bright, sharp, and natural. And when detecting backlit scenes, it uses the live HDR algorithm to capture perfectly exposed subjects and backgrounds with natural colors and fine details. And AI highlight video also provides dedicated optimization to portraits when detecting human subjects. This works from both the rear-facing and front-facing cameras to give you some excellent results. We've also got AI color portrait, which isolates the subject and makes everything else black and white. And this gives you a strong contrasting color effect while highlighting the subject. There's also monochrome video, and this is composed of 3 different video filters, allowing the Reno 5 Pro to highlight only the reds, greens or blues in a video, accentuating the image through the power of basic colors. The Reno 5 Pro also comes with OPPO's exclusive smart video editor SoLoop, which is now accessible right from the camera interface and offers even more exciting updated features to effortlessly create trending videos. So those are some of the camera features, and for software, we do have the latest Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1. Now I have covered ColorOS 11.1 in a previous video in lots of detail. I'll leave that video linked in the cards and in the description. But ColorOS gives you lots of customization with a customizable always on display, customizable dark mode, flex drop, which lets you multitask smoothly on the Reno 5 Pro through resized windows. And one of my favorite features, which is 3-finger translate with Google Lens, which allows you to very quickly and easily translate whatever is on screen by simply swiping down with 3 fingers. And that is the OPPO Reno 5 Pro 5G. If you're interested in finding out more or picking one of these up, there will be a link down in the description below. And as mentioned towards the start of this video, I do have 3 of these to give away. Now the first thing about the giveaway is that this will be for India only, and that is because the Reno 5 Pro unfortunately is currently not going to be available in UK and Europe. But I'm sure my Indian followers are going to be very, very happy about that. How do you enter? Well, we're going to keep it super simple. All you need to do is drop one comment down below with what your favorite feature of the OPPO Reno 5 Pro is. I've covered lots of features in this video, so that should be very, very simple. Along with your comment, please do leave a link to one of your social media handles. This will make it much easier for us to get in touch with you, to get all of your details, to send you the phone if you are a winner. Please only leave one comment to keep things fair, and 1 week after this video has gone live, we will pick 3 winners at random from the comments and contact them via the social media links provided. I'll also leave a pinned comment on this video when the winners have been announced, so you can come back to the video to check that out. So all the best with the giveaway, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.